Tyler 16-bit here, back with another video, and this is an unboxing of the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Reignition box set. I got this from Walmart online for about $60, and it includes all 6 Power Rangers. So yeah, let's get right into it. I've already took the tab out, so it should be easier to unbox. Yeah, you can already see like Pink Ranger, Blue Ranger, and all that. And there's a sticker. Alright, so yeah, they're really packed in there pretty tightly. There we go. Alright, this is the Yellow Ranger. And as you can see, there's multiple things. Each Ranger has multiple things like weapons and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And next up we have the Black Ranger. And again, so many different accessories with it. Oop, focus. And next up is the Red Ranger. Yeah, obviously it has a sword there. Yeah, overall it's pretty cool. This is a really cool set, in my opinion, anyway. And of course, this is the Green Ranger, Tommy, played in the show by the late Jason David Frank. Yeah, very cool. And next up, we got the Blue Ranger. Yeah, just the amount of accessories that they come with and just how they look overall is really cool. And last but not least is the Pink Ranger. Yeah, it comes with a bow and arrow and all that. But yeah, that's that's really about it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, you all take care.